Everybody has that choice every day to eat healthy. But your healthy eating, as I keep saying, starts off with your food shopping in your local supermarket or your local shops. Now, I'm preparing a Chinese dish for myself today. It's chicken with cashew nut, broccoli, ginger and garlic in an oyster sauce. And I put a bit of white pepper and oyster sauce in the egg fried rice. I've brown rice cooked already. And then I'm going to have a chicken curry using the same vegetables of two dishes coming on here. Now it is, but preparation is key to eat healthy. And if you eat single one ingredient food and mix a single one ingredient food, honestly, your life and your lifestyle change will be dramatic. You'll feel so good in yourself. It's unbelievable. Most people will say, oh, well, look, you can go to the gym, you can eat what you like. And I keep saying, it is total bullshit. You will have to train that little bit harder. You will have gut problems. Look, it's all about the macros and the good quality food that you take into your system. Your gut is the second brain in the body. And if you take in good quality single one ingredient food, you'll feel better physically and mentally. Taking in sugar and taking in seed oils is connected to depression and mental health. That's why I always have an argument with people. Or people that can go to the gym can eat what they like. They certainly cannot. It's a chemical reaction with the food that you're taking in. And if you're eating processed food that's prepared in labs and it lasts over a year, that food is not good. And it's all addictive, that food. So I prepare my food. I'm taking on a Chinese dish here today. So you see what I'm doing? That's preparation. I'll put up the two photographs, what way it turned out. The preparation photograph and the way it turned out. I'll take care of Farmer Joe. Just started off with cooking now. I'm going to use two breasts of chicken in the pan here. I'm using one for curry and one for cashew nuts with oyster sauce. So I'll just half the chicken into two different pans, mixing the two different sauces, all the same vegetables except broccoli is in one and broccoli's not in another. I'll just show you now in a sec. That chicken there that's frying in olive oil with ginger and garlic, salt and sea salt and black pepper brings a beautiful taste into the chicken. I just halved the chicken between two pans and I'll put a bit of veg in through them now. So that one there is going to be the curry, and this one here is going to be the one with the cashew nuts and the broccoli. I've already got the broccoli steamed in a saucepan there. I'll just add the cashew nuts into the cashew nut dish now there. So a bowl of cashew nuts gone in. I'm just going to add in the broccoli here now. A nice bit of broccoli gone into that dish there now. So this is the making of the curry sauce. It's just the curry powder and a bit of corn flour. Mix it through, mix a bit of water through it. Put it into your pan onto the chicken and the veg. So that's the corn flour and the curry powder mixed together. Just add in your water, mix it through and then put it straight into your pan. So just increase the heat in that now and let it evaporate some of the water and it'll turn into a beautiful curry sauce. That'll thicken up with the corn flour in it. I'm just going to add a sauce into this one now. Oyster sauce, a bit of white pepper. I just added the oyster sauce in, white pepper. And there's the curry on coming on nicely now. And I'll just finish these off now. There's that beautiful curry made now. So that's me taking on the takeaway. And this one's coming on. And I'm going to do an egg fried rice now in another video. But they're two beautiful dishes, look. I'm going to serve them on a plate with fried rice in between. I'll take care of Farmer Joe. Just starting my egg fried rice. I have a bit of olive oil in the pan and I have a bit of veg. There's the chicken with cashew nuts and broccoli in ginger, garlic and oyster sauce. There's the chicken curry. So I'm going to serve this on a plate now. I'm just going to do the egg fried rice now in real time. That's the veg ready. Just push it to the side, put an egg in on top. Scramble the egg into the pan. Mix it with the veg there and just put about 12 tablespoons of brown rice in on top. There's the brown rice in, just mix that through. To get the brown tint on the rice that the Chinese do, add a bit of oyster sauce, nice bit of white pepper, gives that Asian taste, or a bit of any other sauce that you have there, a bit of soya sauce even, but the oyster sauce brings a beautiful taste into it. So I'll just mix that through now and I'll plate everything up. So that's everything ready now. The egg fried rice, chicken with cashew nut and broccoli in oyster sauce, and a beautiful chicken curry. So I'm just going to serve it up now. Put the rice down the centre. Put each this one on the left and one on the right. So there you go. There's Farmer Joe take on the takeaway. A chicken curry, egg fried brown rice, and chicken with broccoli in oyster sauce with cashew nuts. And that dish there is absolutely beautiful. And you're seeing it done in real time. All take care. Single one ingredient food. Farmer Joe takes on the takeaway the healthy way. Take care. Bye bye now.